Now it's helped on to Grealish. Grealish into the box and City will score, and they do. Slid in by, yes, of course, Erling Haaland. Manchester City plays it into the gap. Haaland's looking for... He steps up left-footed and he sends the goalkeeper the wrong way. And Erling Haaland is off and running. The trademark celebration. He sits down. Haaland's through. Chance to sink West Ham. And you know what? He never misses chances like that. And Erling Haaland has doubled his money. Haaland on the turn. On it goes. Gundogan's through. 1-0 City. Absolutely brilliant. It was only a matter of time. And there's still a chance. And Haaland scores. And City are back in the match. And Haaland's on target again. It had to come. It's cleared as far as Foden. Good ball in. And Haaland. Erling Haaland. He scores his first City goal. And Stones. And Haaland. Erling Haaland. Never, ever shut still. Haaland. Ladies and gentlemen, Haaland has his first City match ball. It will not be his. Foden clips it in. Haaland, 1-0. I had a hunch that his first touch might be decisive. It was. It was a near the edge, and Foden, and Haaland makes it 2-0. It is bizarre, isn't it? I mentioned that Aguero scored 2, and Stones on the far, and Haaland, number 3. They can't rule that one out for offside because the ball came backwards to Haaland. And it's to De Bruyne. De Bruyne's cross is deflected and City will score through Haaland. You bet. 10 goals, double figures. Now De Bruyne and now Haaland. It's becoming a cliche in itself. De Bruyne with the assist. Haaland to his right and Gundogan to his left. And Haaland gets another.
Haaland, centro para Haaland.
His first chance, has a shot, scores a goal. Absolutely sensational. It's his first opportunity and he's just slid it into the corner of the net. And the corner comes in. Haaland off the line. Did it cross? Yes, it did. It's 2-0 City. And Haaland's first chance of the game. De Bruyne, Haaland, 3-0. Kevin De Bruyne assist. Erling Haaland plays it in. Foden, 4-0. Absolutely brilliant from City. A wonderful, wonderful. To Gomez inside Haaland. 5-1. Hat-trick. Erling Haaland. The records keep on turning. Haaland on to Foden. Foden. Checking, otherwise it's 2. City hat-trick.
Celo por abajo lo tira Haaland, gol. Gol. Ese Haaland, Caramón, gol. Príncipe hice 2, tú. Gol. Haaland.
Cancelo que manda para Haaland. Haaland al gol libre, Haaland está, preparo garganta, gol. ¡Gol! Ahí va Haaland. ¡Gol!
Haaland. Need I say more? Towards Haaland and Haaland makes it 2. So beautifully done, it really was. We almost take it for granted. Position. Haaland scores! Brilliant start from City. Brilliant finish from Haaland. De Bruyne to Haaland.
Parece gol de Haaland. Gol. Ya Grealish, Haaland. Gol.
For Mahrez, keeps on going Mahrez, Haaland on the turn, and you know what happens next. The ball goes in to the back of the goal, and Haaland is absolutely delighted because he believes...